Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update Ps5 system software and any apps. Run the built-in network test to capture current ping, download and upload numbers so you have a baseline. If possible, connect the Ps5 with Ethernet. If not, choose 5 GHz Wi-Fi and note router model and channel. Once done, reboot both router and Ps5 to clear caches. Then check upload again. This initial measurement guides what to tweak next and tells you whether the issue is local or ISP related. You now perform the deeper adjustments. Assign a static IP on the Ps5 and reserve that address in your router to prevent conflicts. Enable UPnP or manually forward required PSN ports, TCP80, 443, and UDP 3478 through 3479 and 3658 to improve NAT and upload stability. Adjust MTU toward 1473-1500 and, importantly, enable finish by validating changes. Upload a recorded clip or share gameplay to test real throughput and compare results to your initial baseline. If upload remains poor, isolate variables, try a different router, bypass a modem if possible, or test from another network. This tells you if the ISP is at fault. When contacting your provider, make sure you have timestamps, test results, and packet loss or jitter readings ready. This evidence speeds diagnosis and helps you demand targeted fixes rather than generic resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.